Hello everyone, welcome to AHCareerTalk YouTube channel. One fresher recently came to me and asked how can I find job opportunities. She told me I already created a Naukri profile but I'm still not getting interview calls. At the same time, my friends are receiving calls regularly. So I asked her to show me her Naukri profile and the moment I checked it, I understood why she was not getting calls. And honestly, many graduates are making the same mistake without realizing it. And first of all, let me tell you, Naukri is actually a very good platform for job opportunities. But you should also be careful because they are both genuine and fake job postings. In my upcoming videos, I'll explain how to identify fake and real opportunities. So subscribe for useful information. Now, let me tell you the common mistakes most freshers are making. Mistake number 1. Creating a Naukri profile alone will not get you interview calls. You need to optimize it properly. Many freshers think I created my profile and uploaded my resume. Now interview calls will come automatically. But that's not how it works. Recruiters do not search profiles randomly. They search using specific keywords, skills, job titles, locations, education details, and resume quality. If your profile is incomplete and not optimized, it may never appear in recruiter searches. And coming to mistake number 2, not updating the profile regularly. One important thing many people don't know is updating Naukri profile daily between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. will make their profile visible to recruiters. Recently active profiles get better visibility in recruiter searches. And coming to mistake number 3, incomplete profile. Make sure your profile includes resume headline, key skills, projects, internships, certifications, and proper keywords. Because recruiters search using keywords like Java, SQL, React, testing, Python, AWS, and more. If those keywords are missing, your profile may not even appear in recruiter search results. Photo may be optional from what I observed, but profile completion is very important. And mistake number 4 is applying to every random job. Mass applying without matching your skills lowers your chances of getting shortlisted. Apply smartly. Here's what smart applying means. Apply for jobs that match your skills. If your skills are Java, SQL, and Spring Boot, focus mainly on backend and software development roles. And also read the job description carefully. Check what are the required skills, experience level, location, eligibility criteria, notice period, and salary range. Customize your resume when needed. If applying for testing roles, highlight testing projects and tools. If you are applying for development roles, highlight coding projects and programming skills. Track where you applied. Many freshers apply to the same company multiple times without realizing it. And also remember, every easy apply button does not guarantee visibility. A strong and relevant profile matters more than the number of applications. Coming to mistake number 5, using a non ATS friendly resume. Sometimes your resume gets rejected automatically before HR even sees it. That's why ATS friendly formatting is very important. ATS is nothing but applicant tracking system. There are many free websites where you can check your ATS score by uploading your resume. Before applying for any job, check the company's job description required for that role. And then update your resume with the required keywords mentioned in the job description. Now next step is once your resume is prepared, there are many free ATS websites where it can scan your resume and mention what are the mistakes you have did, and it will also give you the ATS score whether it is good or not. So if you feel like the ATS score was good, then apply the prepared resume to the company website. This will surely help you getting calls from Naukri. And mistake number 6, applying for old job postings. Always use filters like past 1 day or past 7 days. Because freshly posted jobs usually have better response chances. If you follow all these steps consistently, you can start receiving interview calls and move closer to your dream job. And do you want to know how LinkedIn can help you get even more opportunities? I'll explain this in my next video. So, subscribe for useful job and interview tips and job notifications.